everybody, my name is Diamond, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 8 skincare tips that you can take with you all the way through 2020. I got this idea because I kept on getting a lot of skincare questions, and I'm like, who am I to just not respond to the skincare comments with a skincare video so I can help a lot of people. So yeah, with that being said, be sure to leave a comment. Tell me whatever you want to see because I will do it because it's all about you, boo. Oh yeah. Happy New Year. Let's get into the video. Okay, so tip number 1, make a skincare regimen and stick to it, okay? Washing your face daily literally is the number 1 key to healthy glowing skin. And that's just that, Okay, so that leads us into tip number 2, get a toner. Okay, a toner is important because a toner is going to clean deep in your pores and reduce the size of your pores. I don't know about you, but girl, my pores are so large here, but it's only because of hereditary things and just, so I always keep my toner on deck. After I face wash, I have to tone because you want to reduce the size of those pores and you want to clean out your pores. And by cleaning out your pores, you're less likely to get pimples. So this is the toner that I'm currently using. It's just the Dixon's Enhanced Witch Hazel. I've literally had this for so long and I'm literally halfway. Definitely a good buy. I just put it on a cotton pad and just go to work on my face. Sometimes I pat, sometimes I rub. So personal preference. Okay, so tip number 3. So what I found most beneficial to my skincare is switching out my facial cleansers, okay? So at first I was just sticking to one and I'm like, oh, my skin is not doing well, but I mean, it's not doing too bad. And then I switched and I'm like, oh, it's doing pretty good. And then I switched again and it was doing great. I like to switch out my face wash just because I feel like, number 1, you don't know if a product is working the best for you unless you try something new. Number 2, your skin is gonna get used to the product that you're using. So I just like to switch my face washes out, try something new, and the best way to do that is by reading the label. Okay, so tip number 4, if you suffer with hyperpigmentation because your pimples like to leave their marks and you just have dark marks all over, then exfoliation is the best tip for you, okay? Okay, so exfoliation is literally the removal of dead skin, and that is what allows you to get that glow, and that is what allows your moisturizer to really seep deep into the skin, so you're getting more bang for your buck in your moisturizers, okay? It also clears out clogged pores and hair follicles to prevent acne, and that is key, okay? We need that. We need to prevent acne before it freaking starts, okay? We don't want acne, but I mean, if we have it, then that's fine too. But this is the exfoliant that I use that works best for me. This has been literally a holy grail. I love this. Christina recommended this to me. Her link will be down below. Go check out her if you need some more tips on anything. Tip number 5, girl, your phone. If you break out on either sides of your face and it's just like, what's going on? Why am I breaking out on the side of my face? It's probably your phone or your pillow. Okay, so make sure you are switching your pillowcases out regularly because in your sleep you produce a lot of oils, and on your pillows goes the oils, and then you lay your head there the next night, and then it's not a pretty sight, okay? Girl, your phone, you touch so many things in a day, and then you go and you type and you swipe and you scroll up and then you scroll down. So you have all those germs on your phone, and then you go to answer the phone from your boo, and then it's like, now you got acne because that bacteria transferred from your phone to your face, and then it's just not a good day. So for that, I would recommend either speakerphone, headphones, carry around some wipes, make sure your screen is disinfected, you know what I'm saying, something to prevent it, because I mean, it's not the end of the world. But also your pillowcase. So I recommend changing your pillowcase out very regularly. You can also sleep with a silk pillowcase, and that will also help with your skin and your hair. So just saying, just make sure you keep that in mind this 2020. Switch out them pillowcases and wipe them phones off, okay? Okay, so this also goes with the whole bacteria thing. And honestly, it's just stop letting people touch your face. People shouldn't be that comfortable touching your face anyways, but I mean, if they are, tell them, kindly, don't be mean, because we are polite. We are polite. Tell them kindly, I'm working on my skin. Please don't touch my face because I don't know where your hands been. Period. And same with you. Don't touch your face if your hands are dirty, because bacteria Stop it. Okay, so tip number 6, not to say drink water, but baby, you might want to start drinking some water, because water flushes out all the toxins from your skin, and when the toxins are flushed out, what does that mean? Healthy, glowing skin. It also helps with the dryness. If you suffer like really dry skin, it's probably because, you know, maybe you're dehydrated or you just have really dry skin. But if you know that like your skin is not dry and it's like all of a sudden dry, you're like, oh, it's a season change. No, you need to drink more water, okay? Just know that what you eat and drink will affect your skin and the rest of your body. So just be very cautious. It's 2020 and try to change something. If you didn't drink no water last year, drink at least a bottle this year, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I think I'm on 7, which kind of goes hand in hand with 6. Ladies, during that time of the month, it is very hard to say no to like a lot of sweets, but we also know that our skin loves to act up because it think it won't get snatched up when it's that time of the month. So drink more water. Be very cautious about all the sugar intake that you're getting, because the sugar is not good for your skin at all. Get rid of those sugar cravings with some fruit, some healthier sugars, okay? So you got this, boo. But honestly, we're human, so just make sure you just are happy, because that time of the month is not happy for anybody. So if you want to eat your cupcake, eat your cupcake. Think about your skin later. Okay, so tip number 8 is to create a pamper routine for yourself. One that you can do once a week. It doesn't have to be the same thing every week, but it just has to be done once a week. This is where you do a mask. You go above and beyond in your skincare. You start plucking. You do a strip on your nose. You know, you whiten your teeth. You take a bath. You de-stress, because stress is a big factor in skincare. And obviously we cannot control stress, and sometimes we have good stressors and bad stressors. But stress at the end of the day produces excess oil, and excess oil means whiteheads. Excess oil means pimples, and excess oil means, you know, your face is not gonna be at its best. And that's why, you know, sometimes you feel like, oh my gosh, I'm going through so much, my face is just going so ham. It's because of that excess oil that your face is producing. So just calming your body and just your aura, it will just help you totally, completely. And also, we are human. Pimples are going to happen. It's not the end of the world. Everybody knows what a pimple is, because everybody has gotten one. Take it easy on yourself. Your skin is going to flourish one of these days, okay? Just make sure you remember that you're still beautiful, no matter if you have pimples, no matter if you have hyperpigmentation, no matter if you have just scars all over your face. It doesn't matter. You're still beautiful. That is not going to change who you are, a pimple or not, okay? That's all I have for you guys. If you have some tips of your own, let us know in the comments, because we want to know. We want to know. So if you do something special, let me know in the comments, because I need help with my skin sometimes too. I'm not perfect. I just do a lot of research, honey. Unfortunately, we've come to the end of today's video, and I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys can take at least one tip away from the tips that I provided. We're almost at 400 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed, okay? If you're feeling the vibe, give me a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.